Ever seen a lab tool that feels like sci-fi? Meet the Owon SDS200 digital oscilloscope. 2 channels, 100 MHz, 150 MHz, or even 200 MHz. 1 GSS sampling. Blink and you'll still catch every detail. Not just an oscilloscope, it's also a 25 MHz, 14-bit signal generator. Analyze, simulate, diagnose, all in one compact device. Plug it in, USB remote control for effortless PC integration. Supports SCPI and LabVIEW. Automation? Yes, please. Engineers automate measurements and streamline workflows. Cursor measurements. Pinpoint time and voltage instantly. Save and recall waveforms in multiple formats. Waveform analysis? Fast, efficient, and professional. User-friendly interface, no manual required. Professional-grade signal analysis right at your fingertips. 30 automatic waveform measurements. Time, amplitude, phase. XY mode with 3-screen display? Yes, it's real. Troubleshoot components with pinpoint accuracy. 7-inch TFT LCD crystal clear signal visualization. Same screen zoom for detailed waveform inspection. See every blip, spike, and ripple, no guesswork. 6-digit high-precision frequency counter included. Built-in FFT spectrum analysis for advanced diagnostics. Engineers and technicians, meet your new lab partner. Oscilloscope and signal generator. One device, endless solutions. Perfect for labs, industry, education, or fieldwork. Portable, powerful, and ready for any scenario. 20 M storage depth, never miss critical data. Versatile input-output ports for seamless integration. USB data management. Save, share, and archive easily. Intuitive buttons and knobs designed for professionals. High-resolution display. See signals like never before. K-point waveform length for complex simulations. Output amplitude from 5 mV/pp to 3 VPP. Flexible testing. Compatible with SDS200S, SDS215S, SDS220S models. Choose your bandwidth. 100 MHz, 150 MHz, or 200 MHz. Advanced measurement, automation, and integration unlocked. Ideal for R&D, repair, and professional troubleshooting. Waveform simulation made simple and precise. Upgrade your electronics lab with one smart investment. Ready to measure, analyze, and innovate? Get the Owon SDS200 series Precision Redefined.